Hi everyone, we are Sayoa, Iker, Leandro and Ivan, and this is So Good!
Today we are going to travel to South America, specifically to Bolivia, to cook pique macho, a typical dish from the city of Cochabamba. This dish is perfect when you have many guests at home and you don't have a lot of time to prepare a good food. The pique macho has everything. It's exotic, it's delicious, it has everything. I recommend you to try to do it at home, you will not regret it. Without further delay, let's start.
Hi guys, my name is Sayo and I am going to show you the ingredients. This recipe is for 4 people. Don't worry about them because they are very easy to get, so you won't have to buy anything. Starting, we have 2 eggs, 4 potatoes, an onion, 2 tomatoes, 2 peppers, 1 green and the other 1 red, the slices of a stick, sausages, and the basic ingredients: black pepper, salt, oil, soy, and locoto. And this is Bolivian special spicy pepper. It's optional because it's not very easy to get.
First of all, one of the most important things, wash your hands. Now, we are going to boil the eggs, so take a pot and fill it with enough water to cover the eggs. Now we have to wait until the water starts boiling. While the eggs are boiling, we are going to peel and chop the potatoes. And chop the potatoes.
Okay guys, we are going to cut the onions, the sausages, and the steak. To don't cut your fingers, I have a very great tip for you. We put our fingers like a glove, and then with this finger we are going to control the cut of the knife. The origins of the pique macho dates back to 1974 in the restaurant Miraflores, in which the dish was created by the request of the customers, since the most customers of the restaurant were the pilots of the Lloyd Bolivian Aéreo, and they only asked for fillet meat, fried potatoes, and locoto.
Hi, my name is Ivan, and you might be wondering what we have to do now. We only have to cut the raw potatoes and drop them on a frying pan with some oil. While the potatoes are being fried, we put 3 tablespoons of olive in another frying pan. As you may know, the olive oil is rich in healthy monounsaturated fats. we heat it and then we stir fry the stick. And the sliced onion that Leandro has cut before. With the sausages.
Now we season with the soya sauce, the black pepper,
Remember to remove. We cover the frying pan and we started chopping the pepper. When the meat is ready, we take it off. And now we fry the peppers.
Then when we have all the ingredients, we only have to prepare the pique macho. First, we prepare the potatoes.
Now we put the meat.
Now the peppers. With love. The tomatoes and the boiled eggs.
And finally, if you want to make it spicy, you put the locoto.
We have traveled to Bolivia to cook pique macho. And this was...
So good!